For its next Galaxy S24 series smartphones this year, Samsung intends to get semiconductors from two sources. According to speculations, the vanilla S24 and S24 Plus variants in Canada, China, and the United States will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. Other markets, meanwhile, should see models with the Exynos 2400 chip. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is claimed to have just the Snapdragon variation. This Samsung-exclusive Snapdragon chip is rumored to outperform the regular 8 Gen 3 CPU in terms of performance. According to Ice Universe, the GPU of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor utilized in the Galaxy S24 series is expected to have a clock speed of roughly 1000 MHz. This clock speed is certainly faster than what we find in flagship phones from Android smartphone makers that employ a stock version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Although Qualcomm has given information about CPU clock rates in its 8 Gen 3 CPUs, they have not published information regarding GPU clock speeds for their Adreno 750 GPU. However, it is anticipated that the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip would have a faster clock speed for gaming performance than its stock equivalent. This specific chip will also find use in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 devices. Apart from that, no photographs of the S24 Ultra have surfaced, although there have been a few CAD renderings based on leaked measurements and educated assumptions. The forthcoming flagship from Samsung is anticipated to feature a squared-off frame and noticeable circular cutouts for the back-facing camera arrangement, as opposed to its predecessor's designs. A few weeks ago, several rumored color possibilities for the series appeared, and now we can see how the S24 Ultra would look in the rumored 4 colors and 3 unique tints, courtesy to fan-made drawings released by Phone Arena. To reiterate, the S24 Ultra is rumored to be available in gray, violet, and yellow. Furthermore, Samsung may provide 3 colors via its online store: orange, light blue, and light green. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.